Man, you better beg for mercy.
Yeah, hey, watch it dance. Watch it dance. Watch it dance. Watch it dance.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about TyrekeVlogs, aka The Reaction. Guys, as usual, like up this video, people. Let's get 200 likes on this video right now. You understand me? Even though we're on the new channel, we believe in the army. See me. Right now, we're here with TOPPY Boss X A.B.G. Fully 9 redeem. You understand me? I say Trinidad. Them for know so we're Trinidad one buckle belt. But right now, like up the video, people. Comment on the video. See your comment next video. Subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10K subscribers right now, people. You understand me? We're on the new channel. If you don't know the story already, go check out the main channel to see what happened. You understand? We are saying, but we're back in full effect. Reaction Boss is back. We are back. Right, June.
The following program is rated TV MALV. It contains strong language and violence. It is intended only for mature audiences.
Yeah. Big up Fresh the Creator Pass. No picking up here watch the video right now. It's intended for mature audiences only. You understand me? I say? So say if you now wear underpants, you can't watch the video. You say if you're not wear, if you're a woman, you know, woman. If you're not wearing the little string them, you can't watch that video. Yeah. Go on. Yeah.
It's a killing thing.
Anybody gets sick. You know, so all I go on, I did not know that A.B.G means anybody gets sick. I really didn't know. But we could put up a little bit and go on right through now. Run through now.
It's a killing thing.
Yeah.
58 man jam crawler link up. Oh, hey. Anybody fucking get it?
Hey. Yeah. Hold on, pause. We can't react to one video and we see them picture in the video. We're not bait the fit. We're not baiting the fit. We can't react to one video when we see them picture. Hold on, pause. I wish I'm close there. I wish I'm a THC. We can't watch one take off post and but enough to go building. You see me and say. The pan ends and a kickback. You see me and say. Hold on, man, we're there now. Half an hour now. I know that guy now. But half an hour. Boom, clap. Right, Joe? Clip in a pocket.
Anybody fucking get it?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Anybody fucking get it?
Yeah. My question is, so all this fake, right? All that fake. What the clip in the right? Go on.
Man, you better beg for mercy.
Yeah, hey, watch it dance. Watch it dance. Pause. Now I go on a while ago. We don't know what going on a while ago. We don't know what going on. Go on.
Man, you better beg for mercy.
Put them up.
Leave your ends stripped.
Yeah. Yeah.
45 push your marrow like it in a trolley. Shut it with it pump. Call me Toppy Chump. You must be fucking dumb.
Call him Toppy Chump. Now a question for you, Mr. Toppy Boss. What do you call this flow of yours you got going on right here? I want listen to the flow. What do you call this flow?
Very city, big up the damn boom. 45 push your marrow like it in a trolley. Shut it with it pump. Call me Toppy Chump. You must be fucking dumb.
Get it. Yeah.
Anybody fucking get it.
We have music with the people.
10-9, pull him up a bullet. Anybody fucking
Get it.
Big pit bull, dope, but I pet it. Dissect it. If you're not 10-9, pull him up a bullet. You know my style cleaner. Fuck your bitch Sabrina. When the rain a fall, yeah, me give a thunder. Cup a camp in your body like a sleep.
Yo! Pause. Man, enjoy myself a little bit too much, yo. Hold on. Pause. Enjoy yourself a little bit too much. You know what? If you're watching this video right now and you don't like the video, please leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We're on the road to 10k subscribers right now. You understand me? I say. Run tune then. You like the video yet? Run tune. Yeah. Yeah. Fucking get it. Fucking get it. Don't ramp. Now I say 9. Alright. You see the extremes that Toppy goes through for his videos, people? This man just wrecked that entire window. He just wrecked that entire car door. Not even just the window, the car door too. Because the car door this. He said anybody in the song and the lyrics, you know, but I mean anything this, get it, you know. Because the car door just this a while ago and the window, get it, you know. Watch your style. Yeah. You think I'm an old pop down window that I'm an old window, I'm an old door when I'm good again? No, I'm a brand new window, man, just wow. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Toppy Trump. Anybody this get it? What them know about that? Fresh the Greater than King Records. Yeah, man. Big up I don't clothing said speed. Big up Fresh the Creator said speed. Yeah, you don't know Reaction Boss don't play with people. What I want to name? Toppy Boss. What is? What new song is? Toppy Boss X slowly official. We got another video for react too. But we're not going to get that one there tomorrow. You understand me? I just want to say thank you all for making it to the end of this video. And as usual, people, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please smack the subscribe button in this face. You understand me? We're trying to grow this channel way faster than how the other channel blow up. You understand me? Faster. So if you're not subscribe right now. Me I watch it. Yes, you me attack. Watch the video right now. Subscribe to the channel. No. No. Reaction Boss signing out. Peace.